Glossybox.
Yay!
And we are filming 3 videos
I was like,
back.
hoping it'd be a fall box. I was like, please be fall box theme. But just so you guys know, we're doing on the back-to-back videos and in all the other videos we mentioned that we are going to be doing a giveaway before October 1st, as best as possible. That way it gives us time to gather everything we're going to put in our giveaway. So stay tuned for that.
Starting our giveaway anyway. Yeah.
But it's wine though, Kim. No, just kidding.
Okay, so
That's a regular pink box. That is pretty.
But the inside, yeah, the little booklet is pretty, so that's good.
It's gorgeous.
Oh, September spa time. I'll give you that. Without that there, it looks like that. And then.
Oh no. This is what she's gonna be getting.
Melu. How do you say that? Melu sign or I don't know. Paris.
We just got this in our.
I don't know what this is.
What's my other box I just
What
opened?
is this? Is this a perfume?
It's this. We just got this.
Oh.
We just got that. It's $21 normally. It says after moisturizer, spend 10 minutes rolling from side of mouth up to your ear. It is like a.
So it's a face roller. So it was. What box was it in? Our Fantastic.
Yeah,
maybe?
I was like, what one do I get with you? Yeah, look fantastic. I haven't even put that one away yet. So this you're willing to put in a giveaway, right?
One of the two.
Yeah.
I mean,
So they're the same thing as far as this. So that will go in a giveaway.
It's funny because I was saying like we didn't have one, so we were good with that item, and now we have 2. So
yeah.
Okay, and then Daily Concepts Daily Beauty Headband.
It says this headband is perfect for sweeping hair off your face when cleansing or applying a face mask, or even to control hair as you apply makeup. The soft fabric makes for a comfortable fit and it helps absorb excess moisture.
That's cute.
Make sure to put this on before applying makeup or a face mask. You don't want to smudge anything. It's normally worth $12. And at least they're doing like that now instead of just like, isn't it like the cloth or this thing to take me? I don't know.
Okay,
like
and
that.
then Codex Beauty. Is it?
Oh, it looks like this, by the way. When it's all open, it looks like that. Which is pretty cool.
Exfoliating wash.
Is that the Codex Beauty?
Yeah.
It says this face wash lightly exfoliates and tones skin, making it gentle enough for daily use. Jojoba greens provide a non-irritating exfoliation. Where's the F? While castor oil helps clear pores and impurities. It says massage the cleanser gently onto your face and neck and small circular motions. Rinse off with warm water. Deluxe size is $18 or roughly. Full size is $45.
And then I have
tiny.
Miss Flower and Mr. Honey Cream by Vanilla Company.
Yeah.
I guess is how you say it.
This is the ultimate power couple in a jar. This blended royal jelly and yellow flowers, soothing and nourishing. It provides moisture while also recharging and rejuvenating distressed skin. Gently apply it all over your face in the morning, evening, or both. It also doubles as a great makeup primer. Dimethicone ?
I know. I can't even see I don't know what the ingredients are, but okay. And then Breakout
Spot treatment. But a rose and skincare. It says, with peppermint oil acting as an antimicrobial for large and active bumps, this spot treatment is the perfect solution for those annoying and sometimes painful breakouts. Apply a small amount directly under the pimple, ensuring no skin is visible under the treatment. Leave on overnight for best results. It's normally $12.
I know, and with these I'm always like, I don't tend to like.
I want stuff like that. Just for the like occasional thing.
I think this is the last thing, right?
That is, yeah.
Ruby Sheet Mask, Recharge Mind Plus Restore Skin, made with ruby stone powder and goji berries.
Yeah, it says extracts of
Fine
goji
masks.
berries, vitamin C, and antioxidants are blended together to restore tired, dull skin in this vegan-friendly mask. It's also great for recharging your mind and uplifting your mood. Don't forget to time your mask use. If it's on too long, the sheet can begin to reabsorb the wonderful ingredients. Who knew that? It's normally $7. I never knew that. You leave it on too long and the mask can absorb the ingredients.
I didn't know that either.
That's interesting. But if this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways, like the one we'll be doing hopefully by October 1st. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.